What is going on? Welcome back on another video. Now, I did have a different recording software, but I had to switch back to this one. I have no idea why. But other than that, we are on mm2. And if you look in my inventory, you see I've progressed quite a bit. Something but Halloween's coming up in a few months, 2 months, like a month and a half. Got this, all this crap. But I am using my rune knife. I did buy Elite. I'll cook the pets. Alright, yeah, we do Elite. I named it small. Why not? Man. I'm not gonna be using Rune. Actually, Rune's a pretty good knife. But I want to use my Overseer. Yeah. I do give away free knives, so just. Oh crap! Friend me if you want to. My name's right here. Rise Small 10179. I got you. Okay, who's it? I don't know. Okay, it's Bacon Man. Rainbow Bacon. He is Ghost. Crap. I don't know what to do. He's Ghost. He is Ghost. I saw him just vanish. Either that or he just jumped over the counter. I don't know. Either it was Ghost or... Okay, yeah, he doesn't have... Wait, does he have Ghost? Probably shouldn't be going towards him. Holy crap. That person just got demolished. But I am known for my Roblox juking skills. If you're not familiar with me, I break ankles every day, so... Yeah. I am the Breaking Ankles Master Junior. Okay, yeah, but when it comes to that, I'm not joking anybody out anytime soon. Yo, what? Oh, shit. Oh, almost came out. That word almost came out, but I stopped myself. Okay, he's up there. Yeah, you have to be careful. Where are you turning, buddy? Oh, my God, that wasn't me. Don't do it. It's the trendy gamer here. It's your boy, Skinny. Bro, free win or he can die. Either one. I can wait all day till I get a knife to my head. Okay, yeah. Come on. Make a move. Come on, me. Suggsy. Did he go around? He's going around. Wait, is he okay? Okay, he's AFK, so. Yeah, I don't know. I can't tell if my voice is deeper or not, but I was talking about how my voice is never going to get deeper earlier today with a friend, and I think it actually just got deeper. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go on Office 3. Oh my guy. Okay, I have Overseer equipped. Alright, I've been wanting Space Knife forever, and I finally got it. But, did I unbox it? I think I unboxed or traded it. Yeah, I traded it. But, I own a lot of stuff in these boxes. I'll show you after this message loads in. Okay, I'm sure. Excellent. Go here. We only own Space Knife and Rune and Combat. They don't on here. I own Crypto, Overseer, Rape. Okay, I gotta talk it up. I just remembered I'm Sheriff, so I gotta play it cool. Let's go first person mode. Oh my God, this guy got stung by a bee. I'm just going here really quick. Let's see if I can turn something on. I was really near because it was loud. Okay, My finger is on the freaking mouse. I did get a new mouse, by the way, so yeah, y'all noticed that. Okay. No. Mute that crap. Nope. Not up in here. I am ready to shoot anybody who comes in my way. I shall sit here until the remaining of the match. Okay, isn't that blonde girl? Scare her. Okay, so it's not her. I know it's not that guy, because cross him off the murder list. Could someone please close that? Anybody can jump up. So simple. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Waltz on in. Homing game. Okay. How about just let any of the people die? Okay. Okay, I don't know if she just died. Oh. Holy crap, she is right there. She's lagging like crazy. Are you lagging like crazy? Crazy. Okay, she's right there. Okay, she's outside. Holy crap, how did that not kill me? Luckiest man alive, I guess. Bro, we got 10 seconds. I call it an easy dub, even though I didn't kill. She killed most of the people. Hey. Easy dub. Thumbs up, butter boy. Let's get it. Let's go. Do I have deep sea? I'ma check. Oof. Alright, do I have deep? No, I don't. Deep, no. Oh well. Hey, what does this girl got? That's a nice glitch. The frick? That's a weird glitch. Is everyone like that? That's weird. Okay. Same. Let's freaking eat this girl alive. And I'm stuttering again. Nobody will listen, no one understand. And I'm sick with these varieties and people with priorities saying what you in mind. And I'm stuttering again. Nobody will listen, no one understand. And now I'm crying as much as speaking. No one liked me when now I have to do it all again. Cause my flashlight's on, I stay up till dawn. I got this headache and my lost in the line. I felt like I won, but I wasn't done. The nightmare repeats itself every time. Keep my calm and carry on. Stay awake until the sun will shine. And I'm not so strong, and they're not good, so they can take what's left of mine. That will be all for today. I hope you like doggy what's left of mine. Yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you on the next. I got no time. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out, my small gang.